Alright guys, so for the first job of the day today, we're going to be doing a battery replacement on a 13 enclave Buick. So basically, passenger front, on the back, on the floor there is going to be the cover, which is this one right here. So basically, the way this goes, so it's just like that with this bolt, which is the torque set. I think, let me see if I could show you, 220. So, and then you got this plastic here that is kind of hanging over, kind of like that, somewhat like that. So you take that off, you unbolt that, you take this off, make sure you don't lose any of the bolts. And then you have 10, and apparently there's nothing else holding it because it's not here. They taken that off and they never put it back, whoever installed the battery last time. So, and yes, this battery is pretty new, but it's not coming back. Alright, let me see. Let me get my ratchet. Let me get that done. Alright, keep it posted. Alright guys, so the new battery is on. Basically, take the two bulbs, you unclick this negative, you unclick it, that way you can take the battery off. It would have had, you see that bolt there, a bracket that will hold on to the battery and keep it from moving, but apparently they took that off on this car and they never put it back on, so it does not exist. Alright, but here it is, a new battery. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, because right now all we gotta do is just plug in this guy's here, there, negative on negative, positive on positive. Gotta tie them down. Okay, so that's on. Plastic here. There we go. That's on. Everything is back on, so we should be able to start the car right now. All we have to do is just put this guy back on. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to do it one-handed. There we go. That's just the way it sits. So now we got this guy here. And I'm pretty sure that this seat right here, it will fold, but who knows, maybe it will lift up, but I don't know. But anyways, that plastic kind of sits there. Make sure that you put the clips on, and that's good to go. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Later.